Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm getting clients for local businesses using Facebook Messenger ads. Let's take a look. There's a couple different parts to the puzzle here. The first part of the puzzle is to create an irresistible offer. Now, depending on the type of business, the offer needs to be, something that you just can't say no to. And the reason that you do that, even if you take it as a loss, is to acquire a customer that you know is ultimately going to be worth more to you in the future. So that's what I mean by an irresistible offer. So, and Wicked Strikes' irresistible offer in this case is get 4 weeks of unlimited Taekwondo for just $25. That's 79% off. And then I explain who it is and where it is. You also have the call to action as well. So I'll explain the different points of this copy in a second, but that's the irresistible offer. You basically need to have this in place for your advertising to work. It just won't be as effective otherwise. So that's step one. Think of Groupon, right? So the problem with Groupon, though, is that if you've ever been on Groupon, everybody on that site is looking for a deal. That's the only reason they're there. So that's the problem with Groupon. However, the magic of Groupon is not that everyone's looking for a deal. It's that it forces you to create a great irresistible offer. So we're basically taking the concept of the irresistible offer that you would normally put on Groupon and bringing that to Facebook, where there's a ton of great prospects that we can laser target. And that brings me to the second step. So the second step is knowing your target audience. So in this case, on Facebook for Wicked Strikes, we're able to target 20 to 44-year-old females that had children the age that we're looking for. So basically, we're looking to bring in a specific age of child. Not only can we target the parents because they're a decision maker, but we can target parents that have children the age that we want. So you're just showing your ad to the perfect audience. So that's the second piece of the puzzle, is laser targeting that audience that you need to get in front of and then giving them that irresistible offer. So now the third thing that you need to get right is the delivery of that offer. And in order to show for the cheapest price possible, not only do you have to have good engagement with your audience, which comes down to making your message target the people that you're targeting. So you'll notice I say, hey, Kitchener parents, give your child, because I know they're a Kitchener parent with a child the exact age that we're looking for, the gift of self-confidence, determination, discipline, and perseverance. Remember, we're targeting the parents here. So a parent wants these things for their child. The reason the parents want to register their child for Taekwondo is for discipline and determination, giving them self-confidence, self-worth, all of these great things about being part of Taekwondo. And then I get right to it and I tell them why they're seeing this. So third line, I'm right into it. I say, I identify who I'm talking to. I tell them what they can give their child as a gift. And here's the gift. 4 weeks unlimited Taekwondo for just $25. 79% off. The reason I put the 79% off there is because I want to show them how good of the deal you're getting. If you don't put that in there, at first glance, you're not a pricing expert on Taekwondo. That could be the going rate for Taekwondo for all you know. But with that 79% off, it shows them, wow, that is cheap. And then they rethink the 25 and they're like, 4 weeks of unlimited Taekwondo for just $25. That's crazy good, right? And then they finish reading after they process that and they see right away Wicked Strikes in Kitchener, Belmont Village, which kind of makes me have to roll back here to the targeting for a second. Remember I said I was targeting parents of, that had a specific age of children? I'm also wrapping a radius target. I'm dropping a pin right on the location and drawing a radius right around the locations. So they're like neighbors to the club. So it's the exact perfect person that would sign up for this. And then the last step, which you don't want to miss, is click learn more, because that's what we want them to do. We want them to click learn more to claim this voucher. And I specifically call it a voucher because I want them to feel like there's something tangible that they're going to get when they click that they don't want to miss out on. Then we let them know we'll send them their voucher code immediately. Okay. So there we have it. So they just have to click learn more. And this is when the messenger bot kicks in. The other part of delivering this offer here is creating the ad and making it a video. So here's the ad that we use. It basically just does the high points, has 3 graphics. So the gift of confidence, 4 weeks unlimited Taekwondo, just $25. Learn more. The next step is setting up the messenger bot. So basically we just make it so that when they click learn more, and I'll show you how that looks. You click learn more and it will message you on Facebook, and usually they're on their phone, but this is what it looks like on computer. So we give them, say hi and then their name, use your voucher code HOLIDAY at Wicked Strikes Taekwondo for unlimited Taekwondo for $25 at 79% off. And then what we do here to get them talking, we make it super easy for them. So instead of them having to type, here's the top 3 things that we get asked. Get started with your first class. Where are you located? I know we put this in the ad copy, but some people want the exact address so that they can drive in. And what class would my child be in? So they kind of want a little bit more info, and they just need to be talked to at this point. So if I say this, the messenger bot is pre-programmed to instantly respond. So you don't have to sit here and respond to messages. You actually can put this on your phone on an app, so you can see these conversations happen in real time. And if someone asks a specific question, you can jump in and help them set a time to come into the clubs. Hopefully you got a ton of value out of that. And if you're a local business that thinks that you apply to this type of strategy, you've maybe tried Groupon, or you're on Groupon right now and you just want to expand to a bigger market, it wouldn't be right to teach you how to make an irresistible offer without making one myself. So here's our irresistible offer. Normally we would do a setup for $500. And for the next 5 people that send us a message that qualify, because we don't accept everyone, we're going to waive the setup fee completely. So it's going to be $0 to try us out, and you can trial this strategy for as little as $100 in ad spend. So go ahead, send us a message. We're going to put a link right here. If we're on LinkedIn, message us directly on LinkedIn, and we'll see if you're a good fit.